What does it really mean when he says that we'll see you one last time in 2025? Let me go across to Manvi Taneja, who's joining us, an actress. Also joining us on the show, we have Ravi Rai, a filmmaker and a television writer, producer and a director. Well, Manvi, I'm going to come to you first. We've seen a bit of a pattern now emerging. When it started with Kashmir Files, then there were Kerala Files, then there were Sabarmati Files, where actors, producers, directors, they were the ones who were targeted, they were trolled by massive troll armies. Do you think that today Vikrant Massey taking this kind of a step could be a result of that, of being trolled, of being harassed, for him fearing for the safety of his child, of his baby that he had expressed a short time back?
Absolutely. See, somewhere I believe that it is a reaction of all the negative response which he is receiving from his audience and his fans. If you talk about Vikrant Massey, he has struggled a lot to achieve something. I have been looking after, I've been watching his films since many years, but it's been a long struggle for him. He actually proved himself towards his fans. And it took him very long to reach such a point wherein people started liking him. And I still remember he gained his popularity from 12th Fail. 12th Fail में he has a one dialogue जिसमें उसने बोला है कि सरकार कहीं नहीं चाहती कि जो देहाती लोग हैं वो पढ़ें, क्योंकि सरकार को लगता है कि अगर वो लोग पढ़ गए तो उनका कहीं ना कहीं वोट बैंक हिल जाएगा. So this particular dialogue really touched his fans' heart. And रातों रात पॉपुलैरिटी होती है ना, just because of this dialogue, उसकी पॉपुलैरिटी बहुत बढ़ गई. विक्रांत was liked by everyone because what he has shown in that movie was real. And somewhere down the line, जो पिक्चरें हैं वो समाज का आईना है, तो पिक्चरें जो समाज में हो रहा है पिक्चरें वो बनती है, तो people like it. Going from 12th Fail to Sabarmati Report, which is a totally propaganda film, has disheartened his fans, and he started receiving negative comments from his fans. He started receiving negative views from his fans. So somewhere down the line,
Taneja, isn't it an actor's prerogative? What kind of a movie he wants to do? What kind of a script he wants to do? Why should it be tagged propaganda? It is, after all, the artist's freedom to pick whatever project that he wants. What's wrong in it?
See, Bollywood is now divided into two parts. One, Bollywood is totally for the entertainment, which shows pictures like entertainment purpose ke liye. And second, it is political Bollywood. As you rightly said, the movies like Kerala Files, Kerala Story, Kashmir Files, and now Sabarmati Report. If you want to get Sabarmati Report released, so why there was a problem on BBC documentary? ऐसा कुछ अगर आप दिखाना चाहते थे तो
मगर ऐसे तो बड़े सारे दूसरे भी ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स थे which were from the other side of the ideological divide जो बैन किए गए थे. रवि राय, is that not true that Hindu Sarkar also faced a lot of opposition? So be it this side of the political divide or that side, censorship होनी क्यों चाहिए?
नहीं, my point there with Mansi is the moment she began, the very first line I understood where she's coming from and where she's going. Okay, now she's very clear. If she says political, क्या बॉलीवुड में एंटी गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटिशियंस नहीं है? बहुत सारे हैं जो एस्टेब्लिशमेंट के अगेंस्ट बोलते हैं. लेकिन ये डिबेट वो है नहीं. ये डिबेट विक्रांत मासी की रिटायरमेंट की है ना? ये वो वाली डिबेट कर रहे हैं. अच्छा, नाउ इफ यू से पीपल वर टारगेटेड, मेघना, do you think Vivek Agnihotri was not targeted? Kangana was not targeted? They all were. तो क्या सबने रिटायरमेंट ले ली क्या? I mean, what kind of justification is this कि उसको टारगेट किया तो वो अब छोड़ के जा रहा है? And when she says, when Mansi says कि सिनेमा तो सोसाइटी का शीशा है, तो why is not Sabarmati a शीशा?
So why there was a problem on BBC documentary? उसको भी रिलीज होने देते. You had a problem with BBC documentary. As I said,
Mansi, देखो,
Manvi, we'll just come to you. Ravi Rai ji, finish your point. Manvi, we'll just come to you.
And my point, I'm just taking this point. Very simple, Meghna, कि an actor in the morning, you read, he says, I'm going to concentrate on my family, my wife, my child, as a husband, as a father. You end it there. I mean, it's nothing beyond it. We never question. देखो, सबसे बड़ी चीज तो मुझे लगती है, अगर रिटायर करना भी है तो भैया बोल क्यों रहे हो? अनुष्का शर्मा है ना, वो नहीं कर रही पिक्चर, वो नहीं कर
ये
रही पिक्चर।
स्टेटमेंट था क्या मानवी तनेजा? दैट्स एन इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट दैट ही इज मेड।
It's
वेदर वो कर रहे
it's
हैं
a
नहीं
way
कर
of
रहे, वो स्टेटमेंट
apologizing.
क्यों आया है मानवी?
I think it's a way of apologizing from his fans, because whatever Vikrant Messi is right now is because of his fans. He started his career from TV industry and he struggled
But why
a lot.
apologize? Why do you use that word
Because-
apologize?
Because Sabarmati
He said
is
thank
a
you, everyone.
propaganda. No, see, movies like Kerala Story, Kashmir Files, Sabarmati Report, Coming on the Way is Emergency. These all pictures are a propaganda films, and people don't like the
मतलब
actors.
आपको जो अच्छी नहीं
nor the
लगी, that is
directors,
a
nor the
propaganda.
producers.
Anything that you liked of Vikrant Massey
need to-
earlier
no,
was
no,
not
no,
propaganda.
No.
कौन
No,
decide करेगा what is propaganda?
You need to show the facts. No, I'll tell you. You need to show the facts. If you want to show about that Godra Kand, then BBC was about to release the documentary in 2023. You did not let them release it. वो आने देते ना सामने.
But
Because
Manvi
movies
Taneja,
which are
many would
produced
say
by
Supreme
your
Court भी
lobby.
देख लीजिए. Instead of looking at BBC, look at what Supreme Court's verdict has been on Godra files. That has been very decisive.
I'll tell you one thing. Picture did not do well at the box office. This Sabarmati Files. If you talk about Kerala Story, it was also a big flop at the box office. Nobody went to watch that movie.
What are you talking?
but
Kerala.
It actually
no,
wasn't.
Listen to me. Let me also complete.
Okay, finish your point, Manvi.
BJP के जो लोग थे, they were distributing free tickets to everyone, and still the halls were empty, the theaters were empty. Nobody wanted to watch the film. You forced people to watch the film. You were like, "Look,
Force कैसे करते हैं ये?
No,
Ravi Rai,
you-
Ravi Rai, she's made an interesting point. If you decide that everything is a mirror of the society, why selectively ban some
अरे
films
she
and
doesn't know what
documentaries?
she's talking about. अभी कह रही है लोगों को, और जो पिक्चर नहीं अच्छी लगती नहीं जाते. तो कश्मीर फाइल्स, how did Kashmir File cross 418 crores?
That movie did do
No,
very
no.
well, but I think her larger point is that free tickets बांटे जा रहे थे, or maybe she's talking about the
वो तो
surround
नहीं,
sound,
free
I
ticket
believe.
तो बड़े-बड़े बॉलीवुड स्टार्स के भी बांटे जाते हैं. फिर there is a lobby that
free
works to make a
free
film.
tickets on national level, and you asking everyone to
अरे
go. On
मैम
every shop, the free tickets.
एक सेकंड मेघना, let's get this debate clear. It's not about BJP bashing or establishment bashing. We are talking about Vikrant Massey's retirement, his statement. Let's come on to that. I mean,
Let's come on
not
to
push
that then,
our
Ravi
own-
Rai. Do you think it's right that actors are being trolled for the movie selection that they
They
indulge
will
in?
always be.
They
will
always have been.
be. No, wasn't Shah Rukh Khan trolled? But did he quit the industry? No, no. He's been trolled a number of times. So,
Because he's been liked by people.
But
He is
he's
not
been
getting
trolled.
liked.
you mean to say Vikrant
No,
Massey is
Vikrant
not?
does not get liked, because on the one side he's saying he's saying कि government नहीं चाहती लोग पढ़ाई करें, on the other side he's doing Sabarmati
अरे
report.
वो तो पिक्चर के
Just look
डायरेक्टर ने
at
बोला है, उसने थोड़ी बोला है.
No. And
Manya,
and
ये
12
बता,
failed,
Manya,
and 12
he's
failed.
he's made a valid point that there are people like Shah Rukh Khan also who were trolled. Not everyone quits the career. Answer that specific
Nothing.
question.
I mean,
he was
look at
getting trolled,
Salman
but-
Khan. He's wading through hot
I'll
waters.
give you a
अच्छा,
response. लेकिन जो
उसने
पठान की
picture
जो
में
box
सुनो,
office की report थी,
मानसी
पठान
प्लीज एक बात
की
सुनो
जो
मेरी.
बॉक्स ऑफिस की
एक
पिक्चर
second.
थी, जितने भी नफरती चंटू थे उस पे चपेड़ मार दी थी. बाग पठान का जो
अरे
बॉक्स
तुम
ऑफिस रिपोर्ट है वो देख
कहाँ
लीजिए. जवान का
किधर
बॉक्स
आ
ऑफिस
रही हो
रिपोर्ट
तुम?
वो देख लीजिए. बट अगर
तो
आप साबरमती की रिपोर्ट देखेंगे, आप साबरमती
का भी देखो ना.
साबरमती
बॉक्स ऑफिस
was a huge
अरे
flop
बॉक्स
because
ऑफिस तो
कहीं ना
केरला
But at the end of it,
people are aware.
At the end of it,
people are aware.
what we
People
are
don't want to
discussing
watch
right
this.
now, unfortunately, is why anyone will be told that they cannot do a certain movie or not. Should that happen? That is the question. Should Vikrant Massey be forced to do a certain type of movie? Should Shah Rukh Khan also be forced to do a certain kind of movie? What about the
No, but
creative
Meg-
license
Me-
of the
Meghna,
artist
Meghna,
himself?
Meghna, the point is, मानसी says कि उसने उस
मान्य।
पिक्चर में ऐसा बोल दिया और उसकी अरे पर उसने तो रियल लाइफ में एक पॉडकास्ट में बोला कि हिंदुस्तान को आजादी 2014 के बाद मिली है.
Right.
वो तो पिक्चर का नहीं थी लाइन. तो डू यू बिलीव इंडिया को आजादी 2014 के बाद
Well,
मिली है?
unfortunately, this is one of the debates which we are unlikely to come to an agreement on. But at the end of it, when we talk about liberties and licenses, Is Bollywood and other stars of Bollywood sitting ducks to political agendas which are there? Well, thank you so much, both of you, for joining us here on the show, Manvi as well as Ravi Rai. With that, a short break. Don't go anywhere.